are mixing our flour. This one is for fish pie, while this one is for egg roll, buns. So we are measuring the flour that we are using. So we are going to take 10 cups for the fish pie. So this one is for the fish pie. Also going to take for the buns. We are taking 5. Let's see if it will reach 5. 1. Guys, we are done measuring it. This one is for the buns, while this one is for the fish pie. So for this, we go for the fish pie first. We add the dry ingredients. I have a little pinch of sugar, little bit of sugar. This is salt, and this is baking powder. So after adding your dry ingredients, you mix it together. So here is the butter. So after adding it, mash it together with the butter. You cannot go in with your egg. This is the egg. I'm using 3 eggs. You can take your milk a little by little, or you measure it. So I'll be taking it a little by little. So I cannot add a little. I like using vanilla. Add a little vanilla inside. After adding it, you mix. You mix with your hand. So I'm still going to add a little milk. You can use water if you want, but I'm not using water. This is how you mix it up to get to that consistency when you want it, guys. I have my cellophane here. I take this like this. I put it for fridge for like 30 minutes before using it. So I'll be keeping it for fridge like this. So see you later. Let's mix the buns that we are doing today, guys. This is milk, warm milk. Add a little inside. So we don't want to add too much now. This is yeast. A tablespoon of yeast, guys. So we are not using too much yeast, we are using a little, guys. Mix it together. Don't forget, add your sugar. This is 100 grams of sugar, 100 ml of sugar, guys. Mix it together with the yeast so that it will mix together. You can see I'm done mixing it. I will add a little vanilla, and I will also add a little orange flavor. So if you like using nutmeg, all those things you can add, but I don't like using it. Don't like using nutmeg. Mostly all those black things that follow this, I don't like it. So after mixing it, step it aside. This is the flour we are using. So I'm going to be adding my powder milk. Add the powder milk. 2, 3, 4, 5. Also add your salt. Mix it with your water. Put it inside. Put everything. Mix it. So this one we are doing, we don't want it to be too light. So we'll be adding this remaining milk a little by little, because we don't want it to be too light. For you to get the right consistency, you have to be adding it a little by little. So add again. We add all this time. So even if you take the measurement, you have to be adding it a little by little so that you will not do mistake. So this is it. We are done mixing it. I don't want to put my hand inside now. So you can see it. It's strong, not too light, not too soft. So this is what we. I'm coming. I kept it aside.